Forecast with meteorologist Matthew Crumley, sponsored by Georgia Metals.
Welcome back to South Georgia Television News. I'm meteorologist Scott Burchett. Meteorologist Matthew Crumley is on assignment. And pretty nice day to be on assignment because we're looking at dry conditions across the area. As a matter of fact, other than a few high clouds, well, it's been pretty sunny out there today. And satellite radar, we had some fire weather warnings in effect to the north for places like Cordillera Americas. Those going by the wayside tonight, but a freeze watch is in effect overnight for the westernmost part of the viewing area. So any plants that are outside that you can bring in, I would definitely bring those in because likely will not make it until the morning with freeze conditions. And satellite radar, you can see a wider view. We do have some high clouds. They become a little thicker as we get closer to the panhandle of Florida into the Gulf of Mexico. As far as any rain is concerned, well, you have to go into South Florida or back into the Gulf. So yeah, looking at a dry situation across the area. Futurecast, you can see we are going to be staying dry into tomorrow. A trough of low pressure tries to make its way in from the Midwest down into the southeastern United States. Doesn't really do much though for South Georgia. We stay dry. We stay on the warm side, relatively speaking, and we'll see some more warmth as we get closer to the weekend. As far as another system coming in, well, by the time we get to the weekend, looks like another trough will be swinging out of the plains and the Midwest towards South Georgia. As far as those temperatures are concerned, a very chilly night in store. Look at that. We dropped to the freezing mark or below Cuthbert, down to 29 Camilla, down to 31 degrees. Tomorrow, another warm day. Definitely not hot though. We'll get up into the low 60s. I mentioned warmth as being relative after we recover from those freezing conditions. And once again, tomorrow night, look at that. We drop back to the freezing mark in a lot of areas, or just below Camilla, 31, Cuthbert, right on the freezing mark at 32, Albany, 34 degrees. So not a lot of warmth to talk about. And then we'll do it again as we get into Thursday afternoon into the mid 60s in some areas. Future rainfall, we are looking at a dry run for the next several days. Tonight, though, get ready for the chill 36 in the city. Will be more like the low 30s in the outlying areas with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, we'll have some sunshine, but, well, not a lot of warmth to talk about for it. Look at that, 63 degrees tomorrow, that wall-to-wall sunshine. 7-day forecast coming up later.